Hello everyone, welcome to K-Pop World. I will share content regarding the latest updates about K-pop which will definitely be useful. First of all, don't forget to like, comments and subscribe so you don't miss the latest content on my chain. Let's get started. Handsome Chinese actor Yang Yang is once again stealing the spotlight with his newest drama Destiny Code, a fantasy romance series now streaming exclusively on Youku. This marks Yang Yang's return to the fantasy genre after previous successes like The King's Avatar and Who Rules the World. In Destiny Code, Yang Yang plays Lu Qianran, a tech genius who mysteriously gains access to an ancient algorithm capable of predicting human fate. When Lu Qianran accidentally hacks into the system, his life changes drastically. He encounters a young archaeologist, Su Ruo, played by rising actress Lin Yiwei, who holds the key to both his past and the future of humanity. Yang Yang's performance as Lu Qianran has received widespread acclaim from critics and fans alike. His mature acting, strong chemistry with his co-star, and undeniable charisma have propelled the drama to the top of the charts, making it one of the most watched series of the week in China and across other parts of Asia. Social media has exploded with praise. The hashtag #YangYangDestinyCode is trending on Weibo and TikTok with millions of views. Fans are raving about his emotional depth and visual appeal, calling it a golden comeback and a must-watch drama of 2025. Beyond acting, Yang Yang also contributed creatively to the project as a co-producer. In an exclusive interview, he shared his fascination with the concept of calculated fate and expressed his desire to explore philosophical questions through science fiction. "I've always believed that every choice leads us down a different path. But what if someone could see all those paths at once? That's the big idea I wanted to explore through this character," said Yang Yang. The success of Destiny Code adds to Yang Yang's long list of acclaimed works. Born in 1991, he is widely recognized as one of China's leading drama icons, with influence extending not only across Asia but also increasingly into international markets. In addition to Destiny Code, Yang Yang is set to star in the upcoming China-Korea joint film Skyline Horizon, slated for release later this year. In the film, he will star opposite South Korean actress Kim Ji-won in a futuristic political thriller directed by award-winning filmmaker Jong Imo. With growing popularity, relentless dedication, and bold role choices, 2025 is shaping up to be a monumental year for Yang Yang. Fans eagerly await what surprises this talented actor has in store next.